Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing a bun on my hair without using like a Bun Former or one of those donut things. I'm just going to use my hair and pin it down, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Now it always comes out different, so I really don't focus on trying to make it perfect because it just always different each time I do it. So what I did was I just gelled up my hair. I used Eco Style gel. And for my edges, I did Dr. Miracle's Edge Control. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Creme of Nature Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And I just want to make sure that my ponytail is nice and moisturized. So I'm going to go through with this leave-in conditioner first. Okay, and then I'm gonna comb that out. Let me put the camera up a little higher. You can see. So I'm just gonna comb that through my ponytail. And then I'm going to use my Silk Elements Leave-In Hair Cream. I'm gonna use this as my cream moisturizer. I'm just gonna put about that much on there. I just wanna make sure my ponytail is nice and moisturized. Oh. Get the ends. My ends need trimming. Okay, and then I'm gonna get a little bit of coconut oil just to seal in the moisture. This is the kind I use. It's faded, but it's Spring Valley from Walmart. It's usually over there in the pharmacy section, like where all the vitamins and stuff. I just put a little bit, like a penny size or a dime size, and then I'm gonna put that on. Just want to make sure it's good moisturized. Try to get the hairs that's on the inside too. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just comb that through. Okay, I'm going to let my ponytail fall. And then I'm going to bring some to the back and some to the front. Kind of like when you're getting ready to do your bun with a Bun Former. You have hair on all sides. So this is how it looks right now. So I'm going to just comb it out a little bit. Try to make it evenly distributed. And then now we're going to start forming the bun. So I'm going to start right here where I can see. I'm just going to take this and swoop it to the side and kind of start tucking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin that right here, and then I'm gonna take a look at it and see how it looks. Okay, let me grab my mirror. That's how it looks right now. That needs kind of like comb and swooping to the side, but I ain't gonna worry about that. Okay. So this is the part where I pretty much play with it until I get it as close to how I want it to look as possible. And I'm just gonna pretty much be pinning it down to make sure it doesn't come loose. Just throw you some pins in there. I'm gonna put one in the front and I'm gonna put a few in the back. Just to kind of secure it. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna grab some more pins so I can see what it's looking like in the back here. Grabbing another pin. So you basically just mold it how you want. I mean, that was pretty easy. Like, that was really pretty easy. You just pin it in place how you want it. Let me see. So I think I'm pretty much gonna work with this. This looks extra neat. I kind of like it to look messy, but I think it looks extra neat because I did like all my moisturization and all that good stuff. I did all that, and so it looks all extra neat and stuff. Because before I did this, it was just looking like wow, and I kind of like that wow look when it just kind of be looking like, it's a little piece out of place right there. Wait a minute, it's right here. But I can't see it to get it the way I need it to get it. Maybe that got it. But anyways, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some hairspray because I don't have any spritz. Bring this down a little bit. Let me grab some hairspray. I'm using the Tresemme Extra Firm Control right here. I'm just gonna spray that. Woo child. So this is the final look. How I get my bun without a bun former. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.